moving further and further away from her towards his death. His mother was weeping because Robin's father was already no more, and Robin was the only child she was having, and she loved him a lot. And he was also now got punishment of death, and now only some time left for his life. Her son, on seeing her, called her close to him and bent towards him. When her son saw his mother, he called her near to him and bent towards her. The scene was very touching. Touching means feeling of strong pity. Feeling of strong pity. The scene was of very much pity. Everyone waited, wondering what the boy was going to say to his mother. Everyone was looking towards Robin and towards his mother, and everyone was waiting about the words what Robin will say to his mother. He probably wants to say a few last words of farewell. He probably means maybe. Maybe all were thinking that he means Robin. All were thinking that Robin maybe wants to say something, some words of farewell. Farewell means goodbye words. When we are moving from anywhere, at the last time we are saying goodbye, and when we are saying goodbye we are saying some good words also, like take care of yourself, take care about your look after your family. We are saying good words also. The same way this was the last time of Robin. That's why all were waiting that Robin will say something, some good words to her, to his mother. Said one of the witness of those around him. All this sentence said one witness, one of the witness who was in the crowd. But instead of whispering a tearful goodbye, instead means again in the place of saying. Whispering means slowly, speaking slowly. Instead of speaking slowly, a tearful goodbye. Tears, weeping goodbye. Weeping means we can say as like this was the last time of Robin, and all were thinking that Robin will weep bitterly and hug his mother and say something good to her, to his mother. All were thinking and all were hoping like this way. But instead, in doing all these things, in the place of doing all these things, Robin told his mother to come a little closer. Robin said to his mother that come near to me. As she came closer, as his mother come more near to him, hoping she would be able to plant a farewell kiss on his cheek. His mother was hoping that she will kiss on her son's cheek. He spat in her face. He means Robin. Spat is a second form of spit. Spit is a saliva of mouth. In our mouth there is a water, that is called saliva. Now the days are of very much news is going about coronavirus, and we all are wearing mask on our mouths because we are protecting ourselves from the saliva of other people. You understand about it. Saliva of others people means the water of others mouth. That is, water of mouth is called saliva, that is spit. He means Robin spit in her face. Robin threw spit on his mother's face. Then he said, if you had beaten me when I first brought that chocolate home and made me return it to my friend from whom I had stolen it. He said, then Robin said, first of all he spit. He not said good words, he not said polite words to his mother. Instead of saying these things, he spit on his mother's face, threw spit on his mother's face, and he said that if you had beaten me when I first brought that chocolate home and made me return it to my friend. And he said, if when I took first time chocolate, when I first time stole the thing from my of my friend, that time if you said me na that return this thing back to your friend, this is not good habit, you should not do this thing. If you me show the right path, if you guide me to do the good things, that this time will not come, this will not happen to me with this time. ठीक है, my stealing habit will not developed, I will be a good person, that is your fault. It would not have come to this. You are the cause of my disgrace and death. You are the cause. Cause means reason. You are the reason of my disgrace, means my shame, my shame, and my death. You are the reason of my death. He said these things to his mother because now he has grown up and he understand, but he understood that this is a bad habit, but he has the habit, he developed his habit. This is the reason he said, when I was a child, if you stopped me that time, that don't do bad things, don't follow the bad habit, that time if I stopped, maybe this time also I will be a good person, I will be a noble person, I will feel you proud. But you not stopped me that time, and now my habit is developed, now my habit of stealing is developed, and this day come when I become a murderer. This is just because of you, because I was a child, I didn't know what is the good or what is the bad. I do what I think, what I like to do, I do. But you should stop me, that what is correct, what is wrong, what is right. You should guide me, you should stop me. So this is the end of the chapter. Now I hope you understand beta that we should not do any bad action, or we should not develop any bad habit, otherwise in future we will be in trouble due to our bad habits. So always develop good habits, and if you see your friend or your brother sister developing any bad habit, then you should not support them, and you should tell them to follow good habits, not bad habits. Okay children, okay, thanks dear. I hope you understand the chapter and you understand the motivation of the chapter also, motive of the chapter also. Thank you.